2-pack game day chairs. Stadium chair with back support is lightweight. Portable chair with handle for ease of transport. Bleacher seat with a hook to stabilize on wooden and metal bleachers. Comfort padded chair. Folding chair for indoor and outdoor events. 3 thick padded seat and padded back support up to 500 pounds. Floor chair for bleachers, benches or ground seating. Superior safety. The bleacher hook secures the seat to any bench and rubber treads provide additional grip to prevent sliding for a worry-free seating experience. Top review. Game changer. This seat feels like I am sitting on a pillow compared to sitting on a hard cold basketball bleacher. I am also pleased that the seat is higher than other seats. I can see over people while sitting in bleachers. Product measurements. Overall size, 18W×14D×18H. Seat size, 18W×12D×4.5H. Back size, 13.5W×13.5H. Folded size, 18W×15.5D×6H. Ships in several boxes, may ship separately. Top reviews from the United States. We'll try them out this weekend and update the review. Received these today and they are spectacular. My wife is going to test them out at a wrestling tournament this weekend. We will update the review for them as fit to how they hold up. From first glance they seem very well made and should prevent lower back from hurting while seating on hard wooden or metal bleachers.